Today, we're heading to one of the most magical places in the world, the North Pole. Imagine a snowy wonderland with glistening icicles, sparkling snowflakes, and cozy cottages. The air is crisp and cold, and everywhere you look, there are twinkling lights. Listen closely. You might hear the jingle of bells and the cheerful hum of elves working in Santa's workshop. Wow, look at that! Here's Santa's famous workshop. Inside, the elves are hard at work building toys and wrapping presents for kids all around the world. Do you see the conveyor belts? And shelves stacked with colorful gifts? It's a busy, magical place filled with the excitement of Christmas. Let's visit Santa's reindeer next. Look, there's Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and yes, Rudolph with his shiny red nose. They live in warm stables with plenty of hay. And they're gearing up for their big journey on Christmas Eve. These reindeer are trained to fly through the night sky, pulling Santa's sleigh. Step outside, and you'll see the endless Arctic ice and snow. Look at the shimmering northern lights dancing across the sky. It's like a colorful light show in nature. This icy wonderland is also home to animals like polar bears, Arctic foxes, and snowy owls. It's truly a place like no other on Earth. Did you know? The North Pole doesn't have a specific time zone because the sun behaves differently here. In the summer, the sun shines 24 hours a day, and in the winter, it's dark all the time. Thanks for joining us on this magical trip to the North Pole. We hope you had fun exploring Santa's workshop, meeting the reindeer, and taking in the icy Arctic beauty. If you want to learn more about the North Pole or try some festive activities, head to twinkl.com.